everyone. I hope you are doing fine. And in today's video, we will be discussing a few problems regarding the issue as a collateral security for the debentures. That means the debentures when they are issued as the collateral securities. So for that, I have taken the five problems solution wise, and we will solve each problem one by one. So let us just take our first problem to the workbook. And let us just start it anew. That is numericals on debentures. So the very first problem is ABC Limited has taken a loan of rupees 8 lakhs from XYZ Bank. As the primary security, the company has provided the inventory worth rupees 5 lakhs. Additionally, the ABC Limited has issued 2000 debentures of rupees 100 each as the collateral security. Prepare a journal entry at the time of issuing the debentures as the collateral security using the entry method. Show the necessary journal entries if the company defaults and the bank invokes the collateral. मतलब के they are trying to say that ABC Limited has took a loan of rupees 8 lakhs from XYZ Bank, and to as a security they have collateralized the 5 lakh rupee inventory. However, still the bank demands more, and for that they have issued the 2000 debentures of rupees 100 each as the collateral security. Now we have to pass the general entry at the time of issuing the debentures as the collateral security using the entry method. Okay, so let us just have a look to it. First of all, we will pass the general entry at the time of issuing the debentures as collateral security. Okay, so for that, journal entry using entry method. That will be loan account debit to debenture suspense account. Meaning, and it will be of rupees 2 lakhs. Why? Because 2000 into 1000. So 2000 debentures multiplied by rupees 100 each. And same. Okay. After that, if the company defaults, and the banks invokes the collateral, in that case, the journal entry would be debenture suspense account. Debit to debentures account. Reverse entry. कितने अमाउंट से the same up? That will be the same amount. After that, loan account debit to that. Loan account debit to bank account, and the entry will be the same. Okay. So this will happen if what we have done, we have first used the entry method at the time of issuance, loan to debenture suspense. After that, when they were not able to pay the debt and that they default, then this debenture suspense got credited and it converted it to the debentures. Would reverse back करे हमने debentures, and after that loan to bank. We took that money back. Bank took that money back. Okay. So this was the problem number one. Then let us take another problem. That is the PQR Limited secured a loan of rupees 10 lakhs from the DEF Bank, offering the plant and machinery worth rupees 6 lakhs as the primary security. Additionally, the company issued 1500 debentures of rupees 100 each as the collateral security. Prepare the necessary general entry at the time of issuing debentures as the collateral security using the entry method. Record the general entry if PQR defaults and debentures are invoked by the bank. Okay, same cheese. Literally, it is the same. So we will just do it by our own. That means at the very first time, at the time of issuing the debentures as the collateral security. It will be the general entry using the entry method. That will be loan account debit to debenture suspension. I'm just copying it as it is because since they are the same entries. And the amount will be rupees 1500 into 100. After that, if the company defaults and the bank invokes the collateral, in that case, the entry will be the same. That is the debenture suspense account. But in just case, will be 1500 debentures in here and 1500 debentures. Similarly, the loan amount will be 1500 and the bank account will be 1500. So, what they have done, first of all, they generalized it. Debenture suspense account opened in lieu of the loan. After that, if they were not able to pay the loan, the company, the bank reversed that entry, converted the debenture into the sellable format, and after that, they utilize that money to recover their amount. Okay, now let us just talk about the problem number third. MNO took the loan of rupees 2 lakhs from GHI Bank. The primary security was land valued at 1,50,000 and the company issued 500 debentures as the collateral security. Show the similarity. Using the no entry method, recording since in this case we are following the no entry method. So let us just make it down it as it is. So in this case there will be no entry. Why? Because it is the land which is the collateral. So no entry in the books of accounts for issuing debentures as collateral security. Okay. And after that, if the company defaults and the bank invokes a collateral, in that case, the entries are going to be the same. That is the debenture suspense account to the debenture of the amount. And what is the amount in here? It is rupees 50,000. Why debentures are issued as 500 at rupees 100 each. Okay. So it is just going to be the same, but in the no entry method, there will be no entry in the books of the accounts if you are giving any asset as the security. But if the bank invokes, in that case, the entries are going to be the same. Now let's come to the problem number 4, that is the JKL borrowed this much amount. Let us just read the question that the JKL Limited borrowed rupees 7,50,000 from the L1 Bank, providing the building worth rupees 4,50,000 as the primary security. The company also issued 3,000 debentures, each as the collateral security. Prepare the necessary general entry at the time of the issuing the debentures as the collateral security using the entry method. If JKL defaults on the loan and the bank invokes collateral, record the general transactions. It is going to be the same as it is. We'll just say the amounts. Why? Because entries are literally the same. Using the entry method. But here we are doing what? Here we have put the land. Okay. And the value of land was rupees 4,50,000. And the single entry would be loan account to the debenture suspense account, that is rupees 3 lakhs. Why? Because 3,000 into 100 and same. Okay. Let us just talk about the last problem for this video and then we'll wrap up. Problem number 5. XYZ obtained the loan of rupees 5 lakhs from ABC Bank secured by the machinery worth rupees 3 lakhs. The company issued the 1,000 debentures of rupees 100 each as the collateral security. The debentures are not to be used unless the XYZ Limited defaults. Record the journal entry at the time of issuing the debentures as a collateral security using the no entry method. Prepare the journal entries of the XYZ Limited if the bank default, if the company defaults and the company invokes the collateral. Same case which we have been doing. It is the same case. At the time of issuing the debentures as a collateral security, there will be no entry in the books. First of all, why? Because it is a no entry method. After that, debenture suspense to debentures, same entry, and the amount will be 1000 debentures of rupees 100 each. That means 1000. That means 1000. That means 1000. That means 1000. Loan to bank. And this is it. So basically, you only have to follow the three entries. If they are talking about the entry method, then you will talk this: loan to debenture suspense to debentures, and then loan to bank. Okay. So basically, the resultant entry is debenture suspension will get cancelled out. The loan to debentures and loan to bank. However, in that case, if there is mentioned that you don't have to follow, then this entry will not be passed. That is loan account debit to debenture suspension. If it is written that you have to follow the entry method, then you will pass on this entry. Otherwise, you will not pass this entry. So these were the 5 problems related to the debentures issued as a collateral security. I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you so much.